Hi, nice to meet you. This is Grace. We, FFI, as a professional manufacturer of nail-making machines, have exported to many countries and received their good feedback. Today, I want to introduce our workshop of super high-speed nail-making machines. Let's go! This whole area is a storage area. We can see the bearing, the cabinet, and the door. This is the main machine, wire feeder machine. Here are some spare parts. They are waiting to be completed here. Now let's see some details of the machine. This is a wire feeder machine. The wire is placed on the wire payoff rack, and then it is straightened here. Finally, the wire is produced to nails in the main machine. We can see inside. This model 002 can produce from 40 mm to 120 mm. We can try to operate. It is easy to operate. One skilled technician can operate 6 sets at the same time. We can see the finished nail. It is very sharp. As you can see, the machine is not big, so it saves floor space. Let's look inside. Here is a motor cabinet. Good brand electric components are used to promise high-quality products. Mitsubishi, Schneider, and Siemens. This area is the numerical control lathe. The spare parts are produced here.